again. So right now it's 6:13 a.m. here. And 6:30, aalis na kami dito sa Cambodia. We're going for a 3-hour ride going to the immigration. Tapos, and then we're going to cross na to Thailand naman. Alam nyo ba na dito sa Cambodia, hindi uso ang elevator? Tapos, yung mga bahay nila, especially in the provinces, may silong sa ilalim. Saka may hagdan, papunta doon sa parang main house. Especially in Siem Reap, yung mga buildings nila or houses or establishments cannot be taller than Angkor Wat. Okay, so it's currently 6:32 and paalis na kami. You promote your business.
Good morning, I'm Safi. I'm a tour organizer in Cambodia.
Okay, so if you need a tour guide here or tour organizer or coordinator here in Cambodia, you can look for Sir Safi. So like after 45 minutes, we're here at our first e-stop para mag-unat-unat. We still have like 2 more hours before we arrive at the immigration. So after almost an hour, we also have another P-stop. So ayan, bumaba lang ulit ako para mag-unat-unat. Kasi meron pa kaming 1 hour bago makarating sa border. So right now, we're here at the Cambodian border. So later, I'll update you. So just an update, we're already here. We have crossed the border successfully, all of us. So from the hotel to the immigration, it took us 3 hours and 10 minutes. And then crossing the border to here in Thailand, it took us 45 minutes because we have to wait for the others. And then there's some things to note. If you have luggage, pagpasok mo ng border ng Cambodia, you have to pull your luggage yourself. Again, they don't have elevators here. So I think it's 20 to 30 steps paakyat. Pag-akyat doon, ang daming tao nung pagdating namin, pero mabilis lang. As in, tataka nila, fingerprints, tapos pwede ka nang tumawid. Tapos pagkatawid namin, may escalator, then lakad konti. Hindi sila nagsascan ng bags, both borders. And then pagkatawid, yung Thailand border naman. So dito sa Thailand border, same lang. Wala din silang scan. Tapos konti lang yung pila sa Thailand border papasok. Ayan, so mabilis lang. Tapos as for me, sa Cambodia and Vietnam, nung pumunta ako, wala namang questions. Pero nung pagpasok ko dito sa Thailand, I was asked if this is my first time here and if I've been here before. Maybe because they think I'm a Thai. Kasi palagi ako napagkakamalang ibang lahi like Taiwanese, Thai, Vietnamese.
Shall I choose Thailand?
No.
No. Singapore?
No.
Brunei?
No.
Vietnam?
The immigration officer also asked me kung ilan kami. So I told him we're a group of 14. And then after that, we walk like 5 to 10 minutes. And right now we're here at KFC to have our lunch. So after ng lunch, maybe 5 to 6 hours to Bangkok. And ayun na! So welcome to Thailand, everyone! Look at that.
You don't have to handle the spices.
Spicy. Alright, so katatapos lang namin kumain. Nandito kami sa may parking nila. Tabi ng mga kasamahan ko, which is nag-CR sila kanina bago kami kumain. Yung CR daw dito only accepts yung 5 na coin. So para magbukas yung gate, kailangan mo maghulog. Tapos kapag wala kang coin, nagpapalit ka sa parang tindahan. Hindi nila iaalaw hanggat hindi ka bumibili. So, ganito yung tsura ng van namin. Totoo yung sinasabi nilang festive talaga yung mga vans nila dito. So yung van nila parang jeep sa Pilipinas. 5 to 6 hours yung travel namin to Bangkok. Pero first, mag-stop muna daw kami sa exchange money para magpapalit sila ng pera. Tapos saka kami drop off sa hotel. And then after that, free time na yung gabi. Okay, so after 1 hour and 40 minutes, we're here for P-stop again. And bumaba lang ulit ako para mag-anak-anak. Grabe, parang lahat pagod pa rin, kuyat pa rin, kahit lahat kami nakatulog na.
chips. Rato na.
After 2 hours and 10 minutes, I guess, andito na kami sa Bangkok. And we're currently here sa Grand Super Rich. Magpapapalit sila ng pera. So, if you're going here, like, for example, I think mga 2 to 3 days, tapos hindi kayo mamimili or mamimili kayo mga konti, tapos pagkain, pwede na daw yung 2,000 to 3,000 baht. Habang hinihintay namin silang mag-withdraw. Here with me is Ate. Hi, vlog! So we'll ask her, what is your first impression in Thailand?
My first impression is it's still hot. It's like just the Philippines. But the traffic is like also the Philippines. But I like it. I think I like it.
You think you like Thailand so far?
I saw a lot of food in the streets, so I think I like it. I'll enjoy it here. Okay,
thank you.
Bye.
1,000 po. We're still here and beside me is Ate who is in distress on...
Do not use PDO or one abroad. Anywhere in the world. No.
So share us your experience. Ano nangyari?
Kada isang labas, 1,000 na bawas.
Magkano binidra mo?
2,000 baht. Kaya na mag-compete magkano na wala. Turns out, dala ko pala ito.
So, ayan. Lesson learned for all of us. Kapag may GCash kayo or GoTime, better use it than yung mga local banks natin sa Pilipinas. Kasi malaki talaga yung charge nila. And pag nagwi-withdraw kayo, if may option not to use the conversion, choose that. Instead, yung with conversion. Kasi, natatawa ko sa itsura. Kasi malaki talaga yung magiging charge niya. So, ayun. I hope this is helpful for you guys. Ate, any words? Gagi, pang shopping pa ngayon, 2,000.
2,000 baht pa yun. Sana.
Yikes!
Beautiful. I'm a beautiful man. You are so beautiful, man. You're too sweet for me. I take my whiskey, my coffee black and my bed at 3. You're too sweet for me. Wala nung pumasok ko. Bawal kayo.
Ay, salat.
Ay, hindi mo sabihin na... Okay. You spend a lot, pero at least yung ano nila.
Pwedeng di natin nakikita.
So, around 5 p.m. we're here at our hotel. Ta-da! So, it's just beside 7-Eleven. Total of travel time is 5 hours. Pagod. Pinaka ba?
Dito na dito.
Makikita niyo yung mga sarili niyo dito. We're here in our room. It's not as big as in Cambodia, but it's bigger than in Vietnam. Parang kasi square lang siya, pero ganito yung itsura niya. And so, pagpasok mo ng room, yan, ganito yung itsura niya. 2 beds again. And then, ayan. Tapos, aircon. May bintana. Bintana yan? Yeah. Tapos, may TV ulit. And then, free wifi. Ano to? Papunta sa kabila. Tapos, dresser. And yung ate ko na stress pa din. Tapos, ito ata ang CR. Let's see. Oh, CR nga. Maliit lang yung CR nila. Ayan. Tapos, yan. Parang ano no, papunta sa kabila. Tapos, ayan. Meron nga din silang arikosak. Bintana. Ayan. Pero wala ka naman makikita masyado. Ganun. Tapos, what's interesting here is merong isang door. So, I think, we think na parang lagusan siya papunta sa kabila. Ayan. So, it's locked. So, ayun lang. Bye-bye! See you later!